program had an incredibly robust year this year. We're known for doing a lot of things in the intermediate, like going on trips, working on a farm, and providing an academically rigorous, high-quality Montessori education. This year, we expanded the program even further to include more classes than ever before in the sciences, the humanities, arts, and makerspace. We also added a city study in Washington, D.C., and even an optional trip to Canada for a sustainability summit. That's a lot. If you've ever observed in the intermediate in the Park House, you know it's like a hive of activity up there. We could be doing anything from caring for our farm, solving math problems, conjugating Spanish verbs, cooking in our kitchen, singing songs, or meeting as a community, and so much more. The intermediate staff and I often get the question, how do you do it? The answer is a lot of heart, a love to work, and a yes and attitude goes a long way. I want to shout out all of the intermediate guides for their extraordinary efforts this year in all realms. As Q likes to say, thank you for your service.